Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with day 14 of our 24 days of Christmas Secret Santa swap hosted by ScrappyTate. Woohoo! So day 14, and day 14 I have it already packaged up, but of course I bought me some too, so I'm going to share what it is without opening it. So this is what I'm gifting her. It's the Marigold Crepe Paper Makaz Home's ephemera. And so it has gold. This looks like acetate with gold foiling. And then some paper die cut. Sorry for the glare. And then some like die cuts and foil pieces with vellum. And more like journaling card types of deals. So this is what I'm giving her for day 14. Already packaged up, ready to go. So thanks for watching. If you've missed any of them and are interested in seeing what else I have sent to her, you can find them here. Like the video, please. Share it with a crafty friend. And until my next video, shakas!